I think we're going to entitle this video Stupid Beekeeper. This box, when I put it to bed for winter, they were in the bottom box, had 2 supers of honey on it. Got to noticing 2 days ago there wasn't much activity going in and out. Opened the top, looked at it. Thought, well, I'll get in it the next day or two. Well, it's 2 days later. It's finally warm enough to open the lid, take an inspection. Poor little queen is right there. That is one of Jason Bragg's New River Carnica queens. I only had 2 that made it through the winter. Now I've got 1. And this is called stupid beekeeping, because I assumed they had plenty of honey. Really sad. That box has 4 frames of brood in it. This box has 2 frames of brood in it. There's a few bees that are still alive. I tried taking the queen in my hand and blowing on her to see if she was cold, see if she'd come back. But she didn't. Poor little girl's going on to be with Saint Valentine, if you believe in beekeepers and their saints. But yep, this is what stupid beekeeping is. This hive was booming. Can't really see down in the cells, but there's eggs all the way out to the outside. Or not eggs, larvae. That's sad. Oh well, even the experts make mistakes, and I'm no expert, so I guess I feel pretty crappy for losing a good queen. But that's today's tip. Bees starve in the end of February and March. You've got to stay on top of your bees. This one, because I had the 2 boxes of honey on top, I did not put a box or a shim with any sugar on it, because me and my uneducated wisdom decided to say, let's see if they'll make it with the honey, and did not check them. Oh well, we live and learn as beekeepers. You guys have a great day. I'm going to look at a couple more hives today. Feed your bees. While I'm thinking about it, just because you have an open feeder out does not mean that that hive is actually feeding it. Because every day that it's warm enough for them to feed, I've had sugar water feeders out. That's sugar water with essential oils, magic cell or red cells, what you have to buy now, and pollen sub. Today's lesson was a hard one. You guys have a great day. Hit that like and subscribe. Share it. Maybe help some other beekeepers keep from doing the same thing. Have a great day.